Alright, so machine's running good, got the clutches on. One thing I'll say when you're doing this is make sure you know where your clutch bolts came from. I had to watch a video to remember where things went. I ain't got it all put back together yet because I want to change that alternator out. It was making some noise. I sprayed some WD on it just to quiet it down, but those bearings are toast. So once you get it going, I got it inclined and jacked up where I can bleed the system. So there's a bleeder here for the engine. I think I got that bled out. It's just coolant coming out now. And then you want it on the incline, so anything in your lines going up to the front of the machine also get bled. And we are not sucking in anymore, so I think we've got it bled. Overnight I filled up the reservoir over here with coolant yesterday when I got it initially started, and that sucked it all out. So it's taking it, it's just not taking it super fast. And what I may end up doing is just putting coolant in the reservoir here and letting it burp out that way. But it's not really burping much anymore. You can see the F for full in there, so I think I'm gonna do that and close this cap off. That way it's not burping much, but it's getting hot and it's got a lot in it. I don't think I lost a whole lot in doing this, but you don't want to run it hot. And this is concentrated fluid that I bought and mixed it with distilled water. So you can buy 50-50, but the best bang for my buck was to buy the concentrate. I'm gonna let it run, let the fan cycle. Add more as needed. Like I said, I don't think I lost a lot. I probably put maybe a half gallon in, probably not even that much. We'll see where we're at then, and I'll bring you guys back when I go take it for a ride. Should be shortly here. Like I said, I'm not gonna put the bed or the plastics back on until I put the new alternator in, just because that bed's heavy. So messing with it once is gonna be where I'll do. On the maiden voyage. I need to put some gas in this thing, but it's running. It seems to be running good. You gotta be careful. I had to take that light off up there to get in my shop. It's too tall. We're moving. Just take it for a little spin. Very little, since that gas light's flashing at us. It's probably almost out. I may go put some gas in it real quick and then we'll take another ride. Alright, some final takeaways from this. It ran fine out there. Didn't hear anything sounded funny. Oil level's good. Water level's good. Can have some break-in time, so that's going to take a little bit. I think I'm going to make the alternator swap a different video, so I'll probably just end this one here, and you can pick up if you, like, all that's left is putting the bed back on and assembling the plastics back, and there's really not much to it. I think this job would be pretty easy if you was wanting to do it yourself. If you have any kind of mechanical ability, troublesome things that I could think of off the bat. Remember where the clutch bolts go. It's not hard to take it off. And if the machine's been in the mud a bunch, the bolts on the plastic to take that off, and the bolts on the skid plate, I broke a bunch of them, rounded them off. So that would be things that would be considered, you know, do I have a way to get those off? Other than that, it was a pretty simple job. And I think it's going to be a fine machine once I'm going to have to service everything again, and I might make a video on that too, but there's several of those out there already, so we'll see. Something's got my allergies acting up. But other than that, I think it's ready to ride again. The alternator should be here this week. Swap that out pretty quick, I think. It's not much. 2 bolts is all that holds it on. And I think I can fish it out right there, so I don't think that's going to be a tough job. Other than that, I think we're good for this video. If you got any questions, feel free to comment and I'll answer anything I can. But I think if you got some mechanical ability, you will have no problem making this swap happen. It's a pretty easy swap. You just need some good tools and hopefully a cooler environment to work in. Thanks for watching.